The Celestron 14-piece telescope accessory kit, consisting of Plossl Eyepieces, a Barlow Lens, colored filters, a moon filter, and a sturdy carry case, provides a comprehensive suite of tools for any astronomy enthusiast. The kit includes 5 superior-grade, fully multicoated 1.25-inch Plössl eyepieces with a 4-element design, providing superb color resolution, edge sharpness, and clarity. The 2x Barlow lens complements the Plössl eyepieces, effectively doubling the power combinations and ensuring no degradation of image quality. 6 colored eyepiece filters are included, enhancing enjoyment of the solar system by bringing out certain details on a planet's surface or its cloud structure. A neutral density moon filter allows for maximum enjoyment of lunar observations, especially during brighter phases. The kit is neatly packaged in a durable, foam-lined aluminum carrying case, ensuring all components remain safe and organized with room for additional accessories.